Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and I am aware about that you all guys or many of you guys can't spend your money on expensive classes for learning English. So today I am going to talk about that topic, which is related to how I learned English without even spending a single penny on any classes. Okay, so watch it till it ends because it must going to be very helpful. And now you guys might be thinking that how I can learn English without even spending a single penny. So it is possible. Yeah, it's possible. And if it is possible for me, so why can't for you? So watch it till it ends. So firstly, I just want you to tell you one thing, that I am also learner like you. I'm not saying that I'm beginner in English, but I wouldn't say that I'm fluent enough in English. So if I will fumble in between or if I will make any mistake, so please let me know in the comment box and I'll try to make that perfect, or I'll try to make that correct. Okay, so that wouldn't happen again. So now let's get started our video without even uh, wasting our single minute of time. So the number one tip is that how I learned English without spending a single penny. That is taking input. You guys can also apply this task in your real life if you can't buy any expensive class for yourself, because I know that if you will go outside and try to get enrolled in any kind of course which is related to learning English, so in that course you have to spend your thousands of money, like 6,000 or 7,000, or maybe above 10,000. So it's not possible for everyone. So you guys can learn English by just sitting at your home, but what you have to do, you have to apply some methods in your life which are very necessary for learning English. So number one is about which I have already told you, that taking input. So now what is taking input? Taking input means try to consume whatever you can, but try to consume those things in English. Like try to listen videos in English. Okay, now you guys might be thinking that like what kind of videos you should watch. So I would recommend you some channels just for those learners who are just beginner in English, but they can learn by the help of these videos. Like firstly, try to start from simple things, like you may watch some cartoon videos related to stories. Okay, the first channel is Tenali Rama, and the second one is Nick Jr., and the third one is Go Natural. But Go Natural is an advanced level channel, but you may listen it because there are many videos which are totally in a clear pronunciation, so you guys can easily understand those videos in English. Okay, so try to consume as much as you can. I have recommended you three channels, and two of those channels are related to animated videos. Like there would be some videos, there are many videos, okay, which are related to animations, and actually mainly those are for kids. But if you want to learn English, you should watch those videos because those are totally in English. And if you are at your beginner level, so those are perfectly helpful for all of you. Okay, like those will help you to understand the words in English. Like there are many words about which you don't know, but there are many words which they have used in those videos. Here you can get to know about those words by listening to those videos, and try to consume as much as you can. If you want to listen some advanced level videos, try to listen TED Talk. Okay, it's related to English. It's a kind of interviews channel, but you can listen that channel for improving your English, because there are many speakers who always talks in English. Okay, so you may watch those videos and you may listen those. And the next thing is what you guys can do. Firstly, you will take input, then you will have to give output yourself. Now you guys might be thinking that like what is output here. So firstly, if you will listen any video in English, like if you're listening any video in English and that is related to any kind of poem or related to any story, so try to listen that video for 5 to 6 times, then just listen that video again and again. Then when you will understand that video, then try to do repeat the sentences. Firstly, listen one sentence, then pause that, then repeat that. This is what do we call shadowing. but it's a kind of giving input to yourself. Like you are listening something, that's a kind of taking input. Okay, then you now you want to give output to yourself, so try to talk in English. But the next thing, if you don't want to repeat something in English, like by listening from the video, so there is also one tip that you can follow in your life, that you can learn in your life, that is try to talk about your daily routine in English. Now you guys might be thinking that, like, how can you explain your daily routine in English? So firstly I would say that try to make simple sentences in English, like from this or that, or maybe just use second verb in the sentences, like I brushed my teeth, I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I took a bath, then I went to school, then I came back, like this. Like try to use second verb. You have done that thing, then try to describe that in your own words. These are very simple sentences that you can use for describing your daily routine. Then the next thing, if you can't, if you are feeling difficult to explain your daily routine in English, so you may talk about the things that you are doing. Try to talk about those things in English, like now I am talking in front of the camera, so I would say that now I'm recording myself in the camera and I am preparing my video for all of you guys related to learning English, which is related to how I learned English without even spending a single penny. And I am also talking about some tips which are related to learning English, like taking input and giving output yourself. Firstly you will have to take input, then you will have to give output yourself. Taking input means just consume whatever you can in English, try to listen a lot in English, then try to speak in English, which is a kind of practice for you. So guys, that's all for today. And if you have learned something from this video, then please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.